Electric solenoid valves makes it easy for engineers and OEMs to find the products they need with its online CAD library of 3D solenoid valves. Let's take a look. From the home page, scroll down and choose your product type. Use the drop-down options on the left to narrow down your valve choices, or browse the products on the right. Here you see all the technical information of the product, so you can ensure the product fits your application needs. Then, click the 3D Models tab. In this window, you see an interactive 3D preview of the product you selected, which you can rotate and zoom within the 3D viewer. When you're happy with the product, click Generate CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can choose from over 150 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works natively in your CAD software. Next, click Start Generation. Once the file has downloaded, click the download link. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet, which includes an interactive 3D viewer, technical drawings and data, as well as a bill of materials. This is great for those who need to access the product data, but don't need a large CAD file. It's that easy. For more support and on-demand product downloads, go to electricsolenoidvalves.com and visit partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.